Hi everyone, welcome again to our 10 days 9 night trip to China. But this time we will bring you to Xi'an City, China. Okay guys, this is Ramada Bell Tower Hotel in Xi'an. We are checking in now and then time to get some rest and good sleep. Next morning, as usual, we headed for our breakfast. It is a buffet style, just like any other hotel. After breakfast, we then met our tour guide and our driver, and then proceed to Terracotta Army Museum. The museum is located at Lingtong District, Xi'an, Shaanxi, China. And guys, this is the main entrance to the museum. Terracotta Army is a collection of terracotta sculptures depicting the army of Qin Shi Huang, who is the first emperor of China. And this is the excavation site, pit 1. There are 4 pits altogether, pit 1 to pit 4. According to our tour guide, there are different sculptures in each pit. I'll come to that later. Okay guys, the sculptures or the figures dating from approximately the late 200 BCE and were discovered in 1974 by local farmers in Lintong County outside Xi'an. And guys, the figures include soldiers, warriors, chariots and horses. And now guys, we come to the part of the content of each piece. This is the pit 1 and it contains most of it, around 3,000 soldiers. And this pit is the largest among the 4. And now we headed to pit number 2. Has cavalry and infantry units as well as war chariots and is thought to represent a military guard. Look at the depth of the pit. And this is the illustration of the warriors and the soldiers. There is also a souvenir shop in pit 2 for us to buy souvenirs or gift for our loved one. Now let's go to the pit 3. Guys, according to our tour guide, pit 3 is the command post with high-ranking officers and the war chariots. And look guys, the archaeologists still doing their work till now. And the best part is in pit 3, they have some displays for the complete soldiers, warriors, or even the chariots. But guys, unfortunately, pit 4 is empty. Perhaps it's left unfinished by its builders. that's the end of our visit to Terracotta Army Museum. After that, we headed for our lunch. And this is one of the nice halal restaurant in this area, recommended by our tour guide. With that, we end our video here. Hope to see you in our next destination, and thank you for watching.